In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Dsers Aliexpress on Shopify. To begin, you will install Dsers from the Shopify App Store. Open your Shopify admin, then go to the Apps section and choose to add a new app. In the Shopify App Store, search for Dsers and select the official listing. Click to install it and follow the prompts Shopify gives you to approve access. During installation, take a moment to read what permissions the app is requesting, so you understand how it will interact with your store. Once Dsers is installed, open the Dsers app inside Shopify. At this point, you will either log in or create an account directly within Dsers. If you are new, choose the option to create an account and complete the sign-up process. If you already have a Dsers account, sign in with the account you use for your business. Make sure you use an account you can access long-term, since this is what keeps your store and supplier connections organized in one place. After you are signed in, Dsers will prompt you to select a subscription plan. Choose the plan that fits your current needs. If you are just getting started, selecting a basic plan is often enough to connect accounts and test your workflow. If you manage higher volume or multiple stores, you can choose a plan that supports those features. The important part is confirming a plan so you can proceed to account linking. Next, you will link your Aliexpress account. Inside Dsers, go to Settings, then find the option labeled Link Aliexpress Account. Click that option and you will be directed to sign in to Aliexpress. Use the Aliexpress account you plan to source products from, so Dsers can properly connect to your supplier activity. Finally, after logging into Aliexpress, you will see an authorization screen. Click Authorize to grant Dsers permission to connect with your Aliexpress account. Once authorization is complete, you should be returned to Dsers, and the account link will be active. If anything does not load right away, refresh the page and check that you are signed in to the correct Aliexpress account. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.